Have you ever noticed your laptop making a grinding noise? It's not just annoying, it could signal a serious issue. That sound often comes from the hard drive or cooling fan. If your laptop is struggling to boot up or freezing, it's time to take action. Ignoring it could lead to data loss or even a complete breakdown. Don't wait for it to get worse. If your laptop is making strange noises, call Sai Laptop Service at 997-244-7766. They'll diagnose the problem and get your device back in top shape. Your laptop deserves the best care.